Alright, it's another pair of shoes. Don't worry, tech content will be back soon enough. So last December 23, my family and I went to Paseo Outlets here in Laguna, Philippines to do some late Christmas shopping. And of course, being the budding sneakerhead that I am, I went to the Nike outlet store. And in my searching at their clearance section, I found this. In the sneaker interest world, there's a term, grails. It pertains to the pair of shoes that you like the most and you really chase after. And in that serendipitous visit, I found one of my grails, which is in this box. To be honest with you guys, I feel kind of guilty reaching one of my grails this early on in my interest. But that just means there's nowhere to go but up, right? But enough intro. Let's open them up. What's inside this box is written here on the side. It is the Nike Air Presto Mid by ACRONYM. It's in size 11 and I got it off 20% off retail. Original price was just under 10k pesos, but I got it only at 8k. That comes in at around 160 impeached Trump papers. It's inside a matte black box with glossy Nike branding on all sides. It's a slide-out box. As usual, there is wax paper covering the shoes, and here is the Nike Air Presto Mid by ACRONYM. Would you look at that? They're gorgeous. Let me tour you guys around them. So this is the cool gray colorway. I like this colorway the most because it looks very muted and technical, but with a lot of detail in it. Let's start at the front. The toe area and the cage area are made of hard rubber and has a repeating and randomized pattern of the ACRONYM logo painted on them. On the toe box area, there's an embroidered Nike swoosh logo. On the area where the fine cool gray mesh meets the black breathable mesh, we see a line of Nike Hyperfuse stitching with the ACRONYM typography and logo printed in a repeating pattern. On both lateral and medial sides are some neoprene patches, and we get to the rubber cages. This is where the black laces are anchored. On the medial side cage finger, we see the Presto typography, and the last fingers of the cage, the black ones, extend all the way to the back of the shoe and acts as a heel counter. This is a mid-height shoe, so the black breathable mesh extends very high, and has this diamond pattern underneath it. There is leather at the heel area to give the shoe a bit of a premium feel and some structure. They also have the ACRONYM typography on both sides. On the back, there are two zippers to help you get in and out of the shoe easily. Both zipper heads are linked by a short lace with a pull tab and a button in the middle. This is for the ease of using the zippers. You don't have to zip and unzip them one by one. You can just pull them by the pull tab to easily do or undo both. These are locking heads too, so you can just flip them to the downwards position if you want them to stay where they are in the zipper line. The button on the pull tab connects to the one on the heel tab to make sure it's not flopping around while you're walking. At the top of the zipper lines, there are leather pull tabs to help you in keeping the lines straight when zipping them up. The midsole is generally unchanged from the regular Nike Prestos. We have a black sweeping midsole that's very thick and looks kind of organic. On the medial side, at the base of the cage fingers, there is a camouflaged Nike swoosh, and on the lateral side, there is just a black swoosh. Since I will inevitably be customizing this shoe, let me know in the comments if you want to see me paint this swoosh white. The Duralon outsoles are also in cool gray, except for the crash pad. It has BRS 1000 stamped on them. There are also 5 dots on its side. I don't know what that is. If you do, let me know in the comments. The heel area is pretty thick because it has a hidden air unit inside. Weirdly enough, the insole is made of white leather and has the Nike Air logo and ACRONYM logo printed on it. Wow, that must be my most detailed tour of a shoe yet. Now's the best part, trying them on. Let's go. Would you look at that? They look and feel amazing. Even though it's a size 11 and I'm usually a size 12, the fit is fantastic. I do have to note though, the leather insole feels kind of slippery for my socks. And since I will be wearing these a lot, I feel like I have to do something about those very soon. But overall, I'm incredibly happy with this purchase. So happy, in fact, that the shoes that I was wearing when I got these, my Nike Air Precision 2s, I immediately gave to my younger brother. Those were some great shoes and I love them to bits, but I'm rocking these now. So there you have it. Those are my new Nike ACRONYM Prestos. I've been searching for these at retail for a long time now, mainly because of two things. I've tried Prestos before and they're really comfortable. And second, they're very well connected to two of my guitar gods. John Mayer has gone on record to say that his favorite pair of shoes to wear on stage are Nike ACRONYM Prestos. And back in 2001, Nike also created a handful of Prestos for Eric Clapton for his world tour. Call me shallow, but I like the idea of experiencing things that they experienced too. It's a small way for me to be a little more connected with them. Outro time. That's my unboxing of the Nike X ACRONYM Air Presto Mid. Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments. And please do like the video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point videos like this. My previous video was my desk update part 3, where I upgraded my lights. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.